Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Friday afternoon from the media broadcast booth overlooking the New York Stock Exchange right behind me, and I'm in a great mood. You know why. It's Friday, and that only means one thing here at Modern Wall Street. We try to get the weekend started early. So it's not quite 4 o'clock. The markets, they'll be closing up very soon, but it's time for us to get this started. It's time for an early Friday happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now stocks, they are lower this Friday afternoon as investors take in key inflation data and also look ahead to next week's Federal Reserve meeting. But we first begin on the data front. Consumer prices increasing more than expected in August amid rising rents and healthcare costs. The consumer price index rising 0.2% last month after being unchanged in July. Also, we had the September consumer sentiment read coming in below expectations at a total of 90.8. And when you combine all of this, as well as investors looking ahead to next week's Federal Reserve interest rate meeting, as well as the U.S. dollar extending gains against its counterparts, and oil on the downside, a little more than 1% at $43.47 a barrel, you have yourself a session right now where stocks are a slight bit, well, they are mostly seesawing and choppy throughout the session. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the final trading session of the week, as well as the closing bell. And yes, we will talk corporations, banking stocks in focus today as Deutsche Bank's U.S. listed shares falling more than 9% today after the U.S. Justice Department suggested the German banking giant pay $14 billion to settle a number of investigations related to mortgage securities. And since it is a Friday, we will end on a sports note. Chelsea playing Liverpool today, 2:45 p.m. local time. The Mets are playing the Twins this weekend in a pivotal series for the wild card for the Mets. The New York Jets winning yesterday in Buffalo, and the Saints playing the New York Giants this weekend over at the Meadowlands. With that, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I'll see you guys all on Monday. Have yourselves a wonderful weekend. Enjoy, be safe. And until then, I'm James Sweeney for Modern Wall Street.